All right, so she has had this in for 2 weeks now. So I'm going to show you guys how I take it out. So at the very end, we have this elastic. So very carefully, you're just going to get in there, and I use a seam ripper, and you're just going to get in there and cut that elastic out. It is kind of hard to do just because it's been in there for so long. So you just want to get in there and just try and pick at it just to get that unraveled. And it takes me a few times, but all right, so there we go. So now we have it all out. So now what I'm gonna do is down here at the bottom, so right here, I'm just gonna start unraveling it. So first I have the purple going around. So I just unravel that, and then I find the blue one, which is right here. And this does take a little time, but not very much. If it was tied with the, like tied around it in knots, it would take a lot longer to do. All right, so then you just want to unravel that all the way around. And you're going to do this all the way up to the top. So once you've unraveled that one, you take the pink and you unravel it. All right, so after this yellow one, okay, so I wound this purple one around, and so first I'm going to get the purple thread and I'm going to unravel that one. So there's the purple. So I'm going to take that one out, and that just takes that, and then can you hold that right there? So I'm going to have her hold that out of the way so that I can get this pink one and unravel that. All right, so now I'm just going to keep doing this to the very top. Okay, so here we are at the top. So we've unraveled the whole thing. So now we're going to go down here at the very bottom. And right there at the bottom, there's that elastic, the very first one that we put in. So I'm just going to cut that out. Very carefully, you don't want to cut the hair. And it was wrapped around a lot of times, so it's really, really tight. So you just have to be really, really careful when you take it out. All right, so now we've got that out. So now I'm just gonna take the braid out. So I'm just getting a comb, and then right at the very base of the braid, I just put it in, and it just kind of helps take it out. Once it gets up to where the braid is a little bigger, it's a lot easier to take it out by hand. All right, so now that we're at the top, we're just gonna, so now we've taken out her braid, and now we're just gonna take out this top elastic. All right, so there you have it. It's all out. I'm just gonna put the comb through it and She didn't lose any hair or anything, so she's good. That's how you take out those wraps. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming tutorials. We have a lot coming up. We'll see you on our next video. Bye!